are here to reconnect and repipe the supply line. You have to remove the whole supply line from here. So you can see the excavation process is still going on. You have to remove the whole supply line, then use our original 1-inch Niger pipe. As you can see, this is Niger, top Niger, and the main original Niger with some of our fittings. I'm using the best gum here. Our excavation is going on now. My clients have discovered a lot of leakages. You see, here is very wet. Reason because leakages from different angles. So use original pipe and thank me later.